This is a certified pre-owned 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a power driver's seat, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, XM satellite radio, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Classic Chevrolet is located at 2501 William D Tate in Grapevine. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.